Well, sunset was at 6:07 today. We are just under a week from having sunsets past 6 o'clock. Well, isn't this a nice view over Honda of Lincoln? Can't see any clouds. It's another dry night, but I do have a little bit of hope if you are looking for some precipitation this week. It is just a little bit at that, and we'll outline that in just a few. 39 degrees, that's the temperature right now in Lincoln. 40 degrees in Beatrice, 36 in Wahoo, still hanging on to the 40s out towards the Tri-Cities. Right now, 43 in Kearney, 42 Grand Island, 42 as well in Hastings. Here's a look at satellite imagery right now, and you can't see much as far as cloud cover goes. Most of that is off to our northeast, and it's moving away from us. So I think for this evening, we will likely be clear in this evening and even in the overnight hours. 31 degrees, however, that's our low, mild for this time of year, and I actually do expect winds to pick up in the overnight hours. Could see a few gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour. Let's pick up stormcasts this evening. Don't see much as far as cloud cover goes, but by the time we get towards tomorrow afternoon, then I think clouds will start to re-enter the picture, likely some mid to high level clouds overall, nothing too substantial, and we are still staying dry for the day on Sunday. Very warm day as well. We made it only into the lower 40s in Lincoln this afternoon. We'll trade that for 65 degrees tomorrow afternoon, and while it may be breezy early in the day, wind speeds will calm throughout the afternoon, so at least we have that to look forward to. Let's look at stormcasts as far as temperatures go, and let's pick this up tomorrow afternoon. You can see a large chunk of real estate with temperatures in the 60s, even nearing 70 degrees down in Kansas. A lot of green on the map here, but notice these cooler temperatures off towards the north as we progress time in towards Monday. Those colder temperatures are approaching, not necessarily arriving in full force by Monday afternoon, and in fact we'll be having an area of low pressure developing off to our south on Monday, and it may be just close enough to Lincoln to draw some warm air closer to us on Monday afternoon. And here's what I'm talking about. 41 per this particular model in Lincoln, but you see 50s out towards Falls City, but the cooler air resides off towards the west. So Monday could be a wild card as far as temperatures go. Either way, Monday afternoon and evening, the colder air will continue to arrive, and it'll take full effect on Tuesday. This is Tuesday, 3 o'clock. Check out high temperatures in the teens. Yeah, that's going to be a big time cool down. So here's what to know over the next couple of days. At least tomorrow is going to be very warm. Monday will be our transition day to a much colder air mass. We'll call it an Arctic air mass, which will arrive by Tuesday. And there's a chance that there could be a few flurries on Tuesday morning. So let's outline that with stormcast as well. We'll pick up stormcast Monday afternoon. You can see a couple of blips here. There's a very small chance if we have just enough low-level moisture, we may be able to see maybe a few sprinkles, maybe a brief flurry or two on Monday afternoon. But overall, nothing too significant. By the time we get to the overnight hours into Tuesday morning, an upper level disturbance will move on by. We'll be watching a few isolated flurries. These likely won't produce much snowfall. This will likely be very light stuff, and the best chance will be north of the capital city. So we're just mentioning it just in case you see a flake on Tuesday morning, but overall the chance does look pretty low, and even then all that stuff looks like it's going to scoot on out of here by the time we get towards Tuesday afternoon. Here's a look at our 10-day forecast. Check out the colder air as we head towards midweek. Might be shivering right now just looking at it. Check out the low on Wednesday morning. -2 degrees, the high of 17 degrees for the afternoon. And by the way, that'll be a breezy 17 degrees, so you'll want to definitely bundle up then. Looking at another wave of low pressure, that could bring us another chance for some snow on Thursday. I'm not overly optimistic about that because, well, we've had snow in the forecast, or at least been looking at them in the long-range computer model guidance for quite a bit of time over the last couple of months, and none of them have really panned out. So it'll be something we're watching. We're hopeful. Maybe we'll get some snow on Thursday.
You know, it was